Hey guys, happy holidays and welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle. You're gonna need the Freetress braid crochet hair in water wave, and this is in 14 inches. This is how it looks originally. And then you're going to need some form of hair tie. As you can see, one bulk of this hair doesn't really have a lot of hair in it and it's not as full, but I guarantee you I only used this bulk. So I'm removing the tie that they have on it and I'm going to replace it with the hair tie. I like this hair tie because it doesn't have that metal thing or any of the nasty, whenever you put these hair ties in heat, sometimes the white things come out of it and gets all stretchy and nasty and sticky. Well, this doesn't do that, and it doesn't mess up your hair. So yes, we're going to be putting that onto the bulk of hair, and as you can see, I started to already kind of separate the curls. Now you want to be careful that you don't ruin the curls, but you just go ahead and separate it where it allows you to separate it freely without it tangling or having some form of resistance. And you're going to keep on doing that until you get it to your desired fluffiness. And then by the time you're done, it should look something like this. Now come on y'all, tell me this ain't look good. Tell me this ain't look full. This is literally the same bulk. I didn't add any hair to it. I'm not pretending as though I only used that one bulk just to make y'all think that you can do it. I'm telling you it's just the one bulk, and I just kept on fluffing it out and separating it. Like I said, I took my time so I don't mess it up. So now I'm gonna just put the ponytail on. As you can see, I'm using the extreme gel to slick down my hair now as I'm putting the ponytail on it, but I had put my hair in one, I think like 2 days ago, using the Hairstyle gel, and to get it slicked down like this, I take it in sections, guys. So I didn't show it in this video. Maybe I can do a video sometime showing you how I get my hair to like really slick down. But I used the Hairstyle gel along with my Simply Natural gel to get my hair in one, and I tied it down, and that's why it was already slicked down in one. But I'm just freshening it up, and I'm using the extreme gel because I want to make sure that my flyaways don't pop up like how it is now, because I really need my hair to stay slick. Now my hair the slick isn't as perfect, but that's okay. I don't mind the waves because it's gonna match the ponytail a lot better because it's wavy and it's not as smooth. And we're going to apply the ponytail. Now let me slow it down so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. This is very important of how you're going to put the ponytail on. You're literally just going to wrap it around your ponytail, but you're gonna make sure that the hair is laying in the front. That way it covers your hair and blends in. See how easy that was? And look, it's basically like it's done. Now we're not gonna leave it like that, guys. We're gonna get some bobby pins and make sure that we hold it down in place. You don't need a whole lot, but you want to make sure that you pin it down in place. And yeah, now I'm gonna slow it down again to show you another important part, because you don't want the wind to blow and then your bun or little ponytail shows. So you're gonna take some of the hair at the back and kind of lay it over your bun or your ponytail or whatever, and you're gonna pin that in place. So if the wind blows, it is not gonna blow the entire ponytail like up or to the side and then expose your own hair. You want to make sure you do that, guys. Please make sure you do that. But yes, you're gonna pin that in place to make sure that it's there, hidden, and continue using some bobby pins where you need to put it to make sure that, you know, it doesn't move out of place or anything, and fluff it up, separate some more curls if need be. You can do the ponytail a lot higher as well if you want. It just depends on how you want the ponytail to be placed. So yeah, but as you can see, this is a very easy hairstyle. You can do this last minute. You know, we tend to not know what we want to do with our hair, or sometimes our original plans don't come through. So this is just something that you can do very quickly for the holidays. If you haven't already gotten your hair done and you need something to do with your natural hair. And of course, you can go ahead and do whatever you want with your edges. I don't really know how to do the baby hairs, edges kind of thing, so I just leave it kind of simple. And then I make sure that I tie my hair down so that it can dry before you go out, because otherwise your hair is the flyaways are just gonna curl back up. So you want to make sure that you give yourself some time to tie your hair down and allow it to set. And yeah, that's it, guys. Like, that's how I got this hairstyle. Very easy, very quick, and it looks very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button if you like it. Comment down below, let me know if you've ever tried this. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, please, and make sure you hit the bell button so that you're notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, happy holidays again. Be safe out there, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.